Hi, I'm Kevin Brandon, and in this video I wanted to show you some of the issues I had activating fonts using the Fontbase management software. So this Fontbase management software that works on Windows and Macintosh, this week I had issues activating fonts. Generally how I like to manage my fonts with Fontbase is I like to install the fonts, copy the fonts into my user folder, Fontbase. I created a folder for Humber in this instance, and I added 3 fonts in here. One of the fonts that I had troubles with was this Seaweed script font. So back inside Fontbase, if I click on the folder section, Humber, and click on the Seaweed script font, you'll notice that these are not the fonts you're looking for is the error that I receive. If I click back on the Humber folder, it displays the Atmosphere and the New Wave font, but not the Seaweed script. What I discovered is Fontbase, because this is a Google font, would prefer you to use their provider section. Click on Google, and I'm going to search for the font, Seaweed, and it brings up the Seaweed font. From the square icon, I can tell that this is a provider font, in this case a Google font, and I can click the square to activate that font, no problem. In fact, this is a pretty efficient way to activate Google fonts from within Fontbase. I'm going to clear my search, go back to the Humber folder, and again, Seaweed still is not activated. So I shouldn't download fonts from Google Fonts and move it in here to activate them inside Fontbase. This New Wave font I actually went and found on the League of Movable Type website. Thank you, Tyler Finnick. Tyler created this New Wave brush script font that I was able to download. Again, not Google Fonts. And now when I place that inside the Humber folder, I was able to activate this font. Click on the circle, turn it green, and the font is now activated. Just to test and make sure that this font is activated, I'm going to go to Adobe Illustrator. Inside Adobe Illustrator, I'm going to create a new file, letter, create. Taking the text tool, I'm going to click and type the new font name, New Wave. Holding the Shift key and dragging that font larger, you can see that the New Wave text is in Myriad Pro, which is the default for Adobe Illustrator. I'm going to type in New Wave. Automatically the font is displayed. Select that, and the New Wave font is activated in my system, which means that I can now use it inside an Adobe Illustrator file or Photoshop or InDesign or all the files that I want to use this font in. I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.